Having trouble with Windows 10/11 not waking from sleep? Here are 5 fixes to solve the problem. To launch a run window, press Windows key plus R together. In the run window, execute this code by pasting it in the run window and then clicking on OK. Control.exepowercfg.cpl, 3 in the Power Options window. Expand PCI Express in the list of settings. Again, click on Link State Power Management to expand it. Now, under the Link State Power Management option, click on the drop-down of Settings and choose Off from the listed options. Finally, click on Apply and then on OK to apply these changes. Now, go to Multimedia Settings when sharing media and choose Allow the computer to sleep. Now, expand sleep, then expand sleep after. Now, turn Allow hybrid sleep to off and set. Allow wake timers to enable. Now, double-click on USB settings, USB selective suspend settings. Choose Enabled. Now, click on Apply and click OK. Then, close the Power Options window. Restart your computer to save the changes on your computer. Right-click on the Windows key and click on the Device Manager. After that, expand the keyboard's device. Then, right-click on the keyboard driver and click on Properties. As same as the previous steps, go to the Power Management tab. Check the box. Allow this device to wake the computer. Do not forget to click on OK to save this change. Expand the mice and other pointing devices. Right-click on the mouse and click on Properties. Next, locate the Power Management tab. Click on it. Then, check the Allow this device to wake the computer option. Expand the Universal Serial Bus Controllers section. After that, right-click on the first driver in that section and then click on the Properties. Again, go to the Power Management tab. Similarly, check the Allow this device to wake the computer. Click on the Windows icon and write CMD. Then, what you need to do is to right-click on Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. To enable the hibernation, simply execute this code from the CMD terminal. powercfg.exe/hibernateoff and powercfg.exe/hibernate on Close Command Prompt window. Reboot your computer. Press Windows plus R key combination together from the keyboard and open Run. Write powercfg.cpl in it and click OK. Click on Choose what the power buttons do from the left menu. Now, click on Change settings that are currently unavailable. Uncheck Turn on Fast Startup. Press Windows key plus R to launch a Run terminal. Type regedit in Run window and then click on OK. In Registry Editor window, on the left-hand side, navigate to this header HKey local machine O system O, current control sets control and power. Now, on the right-hand side of the window, find and double-click on CsEnabled to edit the value data of it. In Edit DWord, 32-bit value window, set the value data to 0. Now, click on OK to save the changes on your computer. Once you have changed the value, close Registry Editor window. After closing it, restart your computer to witness these changes. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.